Hi guys, today I'm going to share important features of option contract. The first feature is premium. Premium is the amount which you pay to get right to exercise an option contract. Okay, so if you don't exercise the option contract, then the premium is your cost. But if you exercise the option contract, then it will be adjusted against your payout amount. Second is strike price. This is the price at which owner of the option contract agree to buy or sell the share. And now this price is, once it is fixed, it cannot be changed. Third feature is contract size. Now what is contract size? This is the number of shares involved in particular lot. So one lot may consist of 100 shares. So you have right to buy either 100 shares or right to sell 100 shares. And the last is, there is no obligation on you to buy or sell the shares. Yes, because you have got an option contract. So if you don't exercise the option, the whatever premium you are paid, it will be your cost. So there is no obligation on you. So I hope you like this, all the features. So please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.